Alright, so thank you guys for the 2,000 likes. If you did not watch the hay baling video, there's a link right up here. Feel free to check that out. Now, I said in the last video, if I got 2,000 likes, that I would wash the tractor in a bikini. So now you're going to get me washing the tractor, just like I promised. Let me go get changed. Boy, this thing is filthy. I don't know what this thing's been running through. Oh wait, that's not what you're looking for, was it? You're looking for something more like this. Okay, so admittedly, poor Barbie has been a product of feminists taking over, and now you can no longer find Barbie in a bikini. So I might have to take a couple shots from Barbie, since apparently that's how things are going now. Oh, wait! You wanted me washing the tractor in a bikini. Oh, okay. Alright. Let me get that going. Hold on real quick.
Oh boy! No, please, no!
I think we need to go the next size larger for those headlights. That tractor in the bikini, washing the tractor in the bikini, just like the riding the horse naked video, which if you have not seen, the link is right up here, or you can wait till the very end of this video and there'll be a link there too. You gotta enjoy my dry humor. Hey, I could have stuck Eric in a bikini and had him washing the tractor. Give this video a thumbs up if you're glad that Eric's not the one in the bikini. Whoa, come on. How long exactly did you think she was gonna stay clean?
Yeah.
Sorry, that's a no.
Oh, fiddle faddle.